TGIF, I just explained what that was to Mrs. Bear. I told her, thank goodness it's Friday, but I don't really mean it. I want to teach Saturday and Sunday too. One last reading tool for the week is there are some fables, stories, life situations where you learn a lesson or a message from the story or a real life event. And when you read a story or have a real life event that teaches a lesson, that's called a moral of the story. So the moral of a story that you read is the lesson learned. A moral of the story, when you talk about real life, is still a lesson that you learned from the story or real life situation. So, I have jam-packed you with tools this week. When you are reading, and you please better be practicing your reading. You have lots of sites to practice reading. You also have to always understand what you read. You might as well not read if you don't understand it. And I'm giving you tools for understanding. Ask questions. I gave you those question words. Where's the character, setting, and plot? Text features give you information in nonfiction. We learned about those. We learned about a main idea, what the story is mostly about. Not the supporting extra ideas, but the main central mostly about idea is called a main idea. And today we're talking about morals of a story. And I have 2 fun stories for you today. So I hope you enjoy and have a great Friday, and we'll see you on Monday.